What's going on, everybody? Got another opening today. Today's gonna be a little bit different. We were at the store and we happened to see some Pokemon cards. I'm not too familiar with Pokemon myself, but decided to see if I could test my luck and see if I could open anything good. So these ones came in like a blister pack. I've already opened it, but each of them came with a promo card. So there's one promo, Psychic's Third Eye, Hollow Magikarp, and an ordinary rod. So I guess we just have 3 packs today. It'll just be a short little video, and we'll see what kind of luck we got. So we'll try pack 1. Well, I say that. All right. Alright, some people say since it's a white card, there's supposed to be a good pack. Some are green, they say, I don't know. And I think the trick is it 4? 4 cards? And that puts the good one in the back, I think. Okay, so there's energy. Cape of Toughness. Powerful Energy. A Soul Rock. A Carablast. A Durumeka, maybe? Larvitar. Bonus Suite. A Starly. I think it's they call it a reverse hollow. And Sizer VMAX. I know the big hit is the Charizard VMAX. I'm not sure how valuable this one is, but we're going to go ahead and get it sleeved up just in case. Sorry guys if I'm supposed to be excited, but I do like the look of these cards. So we'll look that up once the video is done and see. It may be a little off center top to bottom, but no whitening on the corners. Seems like a pretty good card. Alright guys, pack number 2. This we can do for all you online players, there's a code for you. Another white one, maybe we get lucky again. There's another code. All right, Energy, Larion, Parasect, there's a Spikemonth Trainer, Fletching, Mr. Mime, a Torchic, an Aron, a Rookidee, Reverse Hoyle Kufant, and a Sizer V. So we got the V and the VMAX. The corners look good. There's no whitening. Again, it looks like maybe a little thicker down here than on the top. But again, still looks like I do like the designs of these cards, and I think they're pretty neat. Alright guys, This is the last pack. This is supposed to be a dud because these are green. That's what I keep seeing on some videos. There's another code for you. Energy. A Simasage. Billowing Smoke. Turbo Patch. Wishy Washy. Pansage. Taurus. Diglett. I don't know what that one is. There's a reverse hollow fletching. And a Swanna. So, looks like the first two packs were the better of the packs if I'm going by the design of the cards. Was really looking for a Charizard, but these two look good. We'll get them looked up and see what their values are. Alright guys, again, I'm buying what's on retail and figured I'd try my luck with this, and looks like we might have done good. I'm not too sure yet. But if you like what you're watching, go ahead, give me a like and a subscribe. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see opened, and we'll see you in the next one.